Looking for a luxury Caribbean escape that delivers on both relaxation and sophistication? Live Aqua Punta Cana might just be the answer to your vacation dreams. This five-star all-inclusive resort, nestled along the pristine shores of Bavaro Beach in the Dominican Republic, has been making waves in the luxury travel scene since opening its doors in 2014. Part of the prestigious Grupo Posadas chain, this property promises a unique blend of modern elegance and Caribbean charm that sets it apart from the typical all-inclusive experience. When it comes to accommodations, Live Aqua Punta Cana takes the guesswork out of choosing the perfect room. The resort offers 5 distinct suite categories, each thoughtfully designed to cater to different travel needs and preferences. Starting with the Junior Suite, guests enjoy a generous 484 square feet of contemporary living space, featuring either a king bed or twin bed configuration, a comfortable living area, and a private balcony or terrace. These suites come equipped with all the modern conveniences you expect from a luxury property, including a well-stocked minibar, coffee maker, in-room safe, flat-screen television, plush bathrobes, comfortable slippers, and premium toiletries that add those special touches to your stay. The Ocean View Suites maintain the same spacious layout but elevate the experience with direct ocean vistas and upgraded amenities, while the Oceanfront Suites take it a step further by positioning guests just steps away from the beach with private terraces perfect for morning coffee or evening cocktails. Families traveling together will appreciate the Family Suites, which expand to 646 square feet and can comfortably accommodate up to 4 adults or 2 adults with 3 children. At the pinnacle of luxury sits the Presidential Suite, a sprawling 1,292 square foot sanctuary complete with a private terrace featuring a jacuzzi, dedicated butler service, and exclusive amenities that make every moment feel extraordinary. Each room features modern decor with clean lines, large windows that flood the space with natural light, and private outdoor areas that blur the line between indoor and outdoor Caribbean living. The culinary journey at Live Aqua Punta Cana deserves special attention, as the resort takes dining seriously with 4 distinct restaurants and 3 bars that cater to every palate and occasion. Aquamarine serves as the main buffet restaurant, offering an international and Caribbean fusion menu that changes throughout the day. The breakfast buffet here is particularly impressive, featuring live cooking stations where chefs prepare fresh omelets, pancakes, and local specialties right before your eyes. Throughout the week, Aquamarine transforms with themed dinner nights celebrating Caribbean, Italian, and Mexican cuisines, ensuring variety even for extended stays. For those craving Asian flavors, Sakura delivers an authentic fusion experience combining Japanese, Thai, and Chinese cuisines in an elegantly designed space complete with a sushi bar and private dining areas. The restaurant even offers sushi-making classes for guests interested in learning the art of Japanese cuisine. La Casona brings the flavors of the Caribbean and Latin America to life with its focus on fresh seafood and expertly grilled meats, all prepared in an open kitchen that adds theatrical flair to the dining experience. The beachfront location makes it perfect for romantic dinners under the stars. La Terraza rounds out the restaurant offerings with Mediterranean-inspired dishes including handcrafted pasta, Spanish tapas, fresh seafood, and wood-fired pizzas served on a beautiful terrace overlooking the ocean. The bar scene is equally impressive, starting with Aqua Bar, a lively poolside venue where tropical cocktails, fresh smoothies, and light snacks keep the energy flowing from morning until night. Sky Bar elevates the experience literally and figuratively as the resort's rooftop lounge, offering premium cocktails and an extensive wine selection alongside panoramic views that make sunset hour truly magical. The lobby bar provides a more relaxed atmosphere for coffee meetings, casual cocktails, and light bites, often accompanied by live piano music that adds sophistication to the ambience. The pool and beach facilities at Live Aqua Punta Cana create multiple aquatic environments to suit different moods and preferences throughout your stay. The resort features 3 distinct pools, each designed with specific experiences in mind. The centerpiece infinity pool stretches 25 meters by 12 meters and creates the illusion of water extending endlessly into the Caribbean horizon, complete with a swim-up bar where guests can enjoy tropical cocktails without leaving the water. The family pool offers a more playful environment with water slides that keep children entertained for hours, while still providing ample space for parents to relax nearby. The adults-only pool creates a tranquil sanctuary for those seeking peace and quiet, featuring a jacuzzi and more intimate seating areas perfect for romantic moments or simply unwinding with a good book. All pools operate from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. and feature comprehensive poolside service including waiter service, fresh towel service, comfortable sun loungers, and umbrellas positioned to provide shade throughout the day. The beach access is truly where live Aqua Punta Cana shines, offering 300 meters of private white sand beachfront along Bavaro Beach, consistently rated as one of the Caribbean's most beautiful beaches. The gentle slope and calm waters make it perfect for swimming, while pristine sand invites long walks and beach games. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy complimentary kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling equipment, with catamaran tours available for those wanting to explore beyond the immediate coastline. Beach service matches the pool service with attentive staff ensuring guests have everything needed for a perfect beach day, from fresh towels to tropical drinks delivered right to your lounge chair. The activity options at Live Aqua Punta Cana go well beyond the typical resort offerings, focusing heavily on wellness and cultural experiences that connect guests with the local Caribbean culture and natural environment. The fitness center features state-of-the-art cardio machines, a complete range of weights and resistance training equipment, and dedicated spaces for yoga and stretching. Daily fitness classes keep things interesting with options including energizing Zumba sessions, peaceful yoga classes, challenging Pilates workouts, and refreshing aqua aerobics in the pool. Personal training sessions are available for guests wanting customized workout plans or instruction on proper technique. The resort's commitment to wellness extends beyond physical fitness to include cultural activities that celebrate Dominican heritage, including dance lessons where guests can learn traditional Caribbean moves, cooking classes featuring local ingredients and techniques, and live music performances showcasing the rhythmic sounds that make Caribbean culture so vibrant. Evening entertainment varies throughout the week with live bands, traditional dance shows, and beach parties that create opportunities for guests to mingle and experience the local culture in an authentic yet comfortable resort setting. The activities team works hard to ensure there is always something engaging happening, whether it is a beach volleyball tournament, a rum tasting session, or a sunset catamaran cruise that showcases the stunning Caribbean coastline from a different perspective. The spa and wellness facilities at Live Aqua Punta Cana represent one of the resort's strongest selling points, earning recognition and awards for the quality and variety of treatments offered. The spa menu includes an extensive range of massages, facials, body wraps, and specialized treatments that incorporate local ingredients and traditional Caribbean healing techniques. Signature treatments like the Caribbean coconut massage use locally sourced coconut oil to nourish the skin while providing deep relaxation, while the Aqua Ritual combines multiple water-based therapies for a truly transformative experience. The couple's spa journey has become particularly popular among honeymooners and anniversary celebrants, offering side-by-side treatments in a romantic setting that creates lasting memories. Beyond individual treatments, the spa facilities include a sauna for deep heat therapy, a steam room for respiratory benefits and skin purification, a tranquil relaxation lounge where guests can extend the peaceful feeling before and after treatments, and a comprehensive hydrotherapy circuit that uses water temperature and pressure variations to promote healing and relaxation. Private treatment rooms ensure complete privacy and comfort during services, while the overall design creates a zen-like atmosphere that begins the relaxation process the moment you enter. The spa operates from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, with treatments available by appointment through the concierge service or directly at the spa reception, though advanced booking is highly recommended, especially during peak season when demand is highest. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.